MTR is a place we encounter often in daily lives. We dream to transform the inside of MTR train into an intelligent environment. During rush hours, trains are always congested, but not every standing passenger is able to hold a handrail, since the handrails are fixed in certain locations. While it may be difficult to balance our bodies when the train starts to move or about to stop, so it is still important to hold the handrail, which exert forces on our bodies and slow us down together with the train. An antidote to this situation is to create movable handrails. Sensors attached to the floor of the train transform the floor into intelligent interfaces. The sensor is a small wireless device that instantly transforms surfaces into easy-to-access remotes with sensors discreetly mounted underneath. They detect the locations of passengers by their simple gestures, which could be double or triple steps on the floor. Tracks of the handrails built inside the ceilings of the trains are magnetic smart surfaces. When there are signals transmitted from the sensors, the handrails will move from one place to another, allowing the passengers to grab the handrails from any position on the train.
Shape-changing seat. The seat of MTR is made of metal, and it is uncomfortable to passengers in the MTR. The seat is hard, and the shape of the seat may be not suitable to everyone, which give rise to an unpleasant riding experience to the passengers. In sight of this problem, we decided to change the material of the seat. Instead of using metal to make the seat, using memory alloy is our solution to the problem. Memory alloy is a kind of smart material. Memory alloy which allows deformation when temperature change, such that when people sit on the seat, the body temperature will cause the seat changing its shape. These improvements which tailor-make the seat to every passenger's riding experience will eventually enhance.
One inconvenience people experience when using MTR is that bright sunlight enters the train sometimes when the train travels on the ground. Solution to this problem is using biomimicry inspired by pores of skin. The Breathing Skin project already has taken inspiration from the pores of our skin that alter permeability to control materials that are transported in and out of our skin. This idea can be applied in the MTR train. Pores that are located between the two glass surfaces of the window can detect sunlight and adjust their shape and size in order to provide shade. Another inconvenience passengers encounter is that people see dark tunnels outside the window when the train travels underground. Also, ads that are displayed outside the train are not efficiently delivered to people in the train. To resolve this issue, transparent LCD screens can be used. When it's dark outside, LCD screens can display ads, artworks, or other information such as local weather. This will make MTR experience much more interesting for the passengers.
This is Green Traveling Train model. This model proposes an idea of providing fresh air in MTR and self-generate electricity. Firstly, this model design mimics the forest in nature. In the aim of providing fresh air, some green plants are placed all around in the cart of the train as shown. Green plants help absorb carbon dioxide that passengers release and convert it into oxygen to provide a rich content of oxygen car. Besides, natural air conditioning systems are installed. The bumpy fans are mimic random-looking bumps on the humpback whale's flippers. The aerodynamic design increases the efficiency of generate energy and carry more fresh air from the outside due to the greater pitch angle with less drag and less tendency to stall. Also, the bumps on the blades leading edge reduce noise to increase stability. In addition, HEPA filter will be also installed on the fan to purify air from outside while using the fan. The parallel bumpy fans are installed to provide cross breeze. The electricity is generated and providing for the train use.
By using kinetic movements, smart materials, and biomimicry, we aspire to provide passengers safe, comfortable, and enjoyable riding experiences.